Coffee is one of the most traded agricultural commodity that is, and I dare say, a favorite drink since the ancient time. Over the years, it has grown to be part of traditions that evolve with us as our cultural needs evolve too. From family gatherings, prayer office meetings, even as something to suit us in our downtimes. Name it, coffee became and is a staple in our everyday lives. Hello partners and coffee lovers! Today, I'll be sharing a signature beverage that you can enjoy in the comfort of your homes. So what I'll be using is our very own Ethiopia and also some slices of fresh orange and orange juice ice cubes. So to start off, I will be brewing the coffee using the French press with 6 Starbucks scoop and hot water. To add some flavor to the coffee, I'll be adding a fresh orange peel, then we'll brew the coffee for 4 minutes. While waiting for the coffee, let me share to you a little something about Ethiopia. As we all know, Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee. It came from the African region and is a medium roast. African coffees are known to be exotic, that gives a winey, citrus, or flowery flavor. Our very own Ethiopia has a soft and velvety with notes of dark chocolate, peppery spice, and citrus flavor that went on the wash processing method with high acidity and medium body. I always find myself dancing with energy whenever I indulge myself with a cup of coffee. Just like how Caldi found his goats out of serendipity were dancing after eating berries from a shrub. And this drink for sure will give me the same vibe. Now that my drink is ready, let me have a sip. The orange has brought out the body of the coffee and the milk made it creamier, so having the lingering feeling on the side of the tongue. Now I call this drink the Sunset Iced Coffee. I've always liked creating drinks that's refreshing and calming, especially in these hard times. I hope you enjoyed this video and boost your passion in creating your own drink. May every sunrise gives you hope. May every sunset brings you peace. I'm Jermaine Kim from 479 Starbucks MacArthur Highway Drive-Thru, District 8. Thank you and stay safe.